Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jas Nicole and I'm here with another video. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a Fashion Nova haul, shoe edition. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload my next video. So I love shopping at Fashion Nova. They always take my coins at this point. Fashion Nova, if you ever see this video, like, sponsor your girl, because I stay shopping at Fashion Nova. But I love buying their shoes. They are great quality shoes in my opinion. I feel like they are relatively priced. And if you catch Fashion Nova when they're doing like some really good sales, you could get a bunch of shoes. So these shoes I bought on Black Friday when they were doing like their up to 90% off sale. So I got these shoes for the low, okay? And so I can't wait to show you all what shoes I got. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first pair of shoes that I have is the Key to My Heart Mule heels. And I paid $12.99 for these shoes. And they were normally priced $40. Tell me that's not a steal. Tell me it's not. Look at how cute these shoes are. Look at the heel. Like, do y'all see this heel? It's like a bejeweled heel. Let me tell you something. This is so far out of my comfort zone. It's not even funny. But I love these shoes because honestly, you can wear them now if you want to. You can wear them like in the springtime, just because they are a neutral color and they're like sandals. So even though it's like wintertime, Georgia gets those random days and nights where it's like 60 degrees. So I would totally wear these. These are definitely some like fancier, dressier shoes. So I would wear this with like a cute dress or a cute skirt combo. When it is safe to actually like, you know, go out and do all those type of things, these shoes will be making their way out. I don't know what outfits I'm gonna plan with it, but I'm gonna get my wear out of these shoes. So the next pair of shoes that I got is the Croc About You heeled sandals. And I know it seems like it's like crazy to buy sandals, but they're technically still winter shoes, I guess, because they're being sold right now, but whatever. I love these shoes. I love that they come in a duster bag, but look at these shoes, y'all. Look at it. It is so cute. I don't know if you can see like the detail, but it's kind of like this crocodile type pattern on it. Oh my gosh, there we go. I think it's like showing, maybe not. I am in love with these shoes. And I love a blocked heel because they're comfortable and they're easy to walk in. The other pair of shoes had a pointy heel, so I will definitely be wearing those when I know I'm gonna be sitting down and not necessarily walking or standing for a long period of time. But these are perfect height of the heel. Like, it's a chunkier block heel, love it. Love the neutral color of it. I can wear this with anything. I envision myself wearing this with like a cute black dress and these shoes being the pop of color that they need. And so I can't wait to wear this. Also another shoe that can be worn right now, or it can be worn in the springtime. Last year I did a video, another Fashion Nova shoe haul video, and I have a pair of shoes that are like similar that I mentioned in that video. They're black, so I really like it. Oh, I forgot to mention the price, but the price of those shoes were $13.99 and they were originally $34.99. So again, could not beat that price. So this next pair of shoes, I really debated on whether or not I should buy them. And then I was like, you know what? Buy them because they're cute. And if all else fails, you can make an outfit out of it and take cute pictures about it and post it on Instagram. Which, side note, if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure to do so. I'll leave my name down below. So these next shoes are called The Way I Move pumps, and they were $12.99, originally $39.99. Look at these shoes. You can't tell me these are not cute. Like, look at this. This is such a unique thing. I've never seen a pair of shoes that like have this, and it kind of made me feel like it was a luxurious pair of shoes, you know. And again, you can see the block, kind of like a little bit of a chunkier heel, but I just love this little like dangling like jewels. I had to buy it, and it was only $14, so I could not just let that go. I envision wearing these heels on like a date night, if I were to ever go on a date night, or a night out with friends, like sitting in a restaurant, because these are not shoes that you need to be walking around in, but they're definitely cute. But I just love these shoes. I would wear this with like either a dress. Actually, I have a dress in mind already that I got from H&M, and I can pair this with that dress. Oh, it's coming together already. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put that outfit together and take a picture in it, and I'm gonna post it on Instagram one day. And when I tell y'all that outfit finna be fire, just wait on it. Just wait on it. So the next pair of shoes is a pair of shoes that I feel like everybody should always have in their closet. These are called the Go With Everything heels, and these were $17.99, so a little bit more, but originally they were $30, so still not bad. But they're just a classic pair of black heels. I love that thick heel. I personally prefer it. It's just easier to maneuver in, and I love that the strap is like the kind of like, you know, the adjustable strap where you can kind of put it at whatever like hole to make sure it fits your ankle. I think these shoes are perfect because they can literally go with anything. You can dress them up, dress them down, you can wear them with jeans, you can wear them with a dress. I mean, you name it, you could wear it with this. These are perfect to wear now, and honestly with like black, you can wear it year round. So I can wear this now, I can wear this in the summertime, like a night out, or like even like going to brunch. I can wear these shoes anytime, anywhere. Literally the name says it, Go Anywhere heels. That's what these are. So this next pair of shoes is so far out of my comfort zone, but honestly I couldn't resist it. I just had to buy it. As with all the other shoes, I couldn't resist. So these shoes are actually boots, and when y'all see them, y'all gonna be like, Jasmine, what? So these are the boots. Look at this. This is so cute. These are the Sight Set On You knee-high boots, and I am in love with these boots, and I honestly cannot wait to wear them. Like this faux kind of like snake skin type pattern is so cute. I picture me wearing like an all black outfit and these boots being the statement piece that the outfit needs. I'm really trying to get more into fashion, and so I'm trying to like put together things in my mind, and I'm hoping that it'll come out right. But these boots right here, all you need is an all black outfit. That's it. Don't need nothing else. An all black outfit. It doesn't need anything crazy because they're supposed to stand out. And I love that these boots, they fit my calf. Like there's a little bit of a gap, but it's not like too bad and not as noticeable. So these are so cute, y'all, and I cannot wait to wear them. Where? I don't know, but I'm gonna wear them. And these boots were $24.99. They were originally $50, so I got them for half off basically. So those are all the shoes that I got from Fashion Nova. I feel like I made out pretty well with the shoes that I got. I can't wait to style them and just wear them out. So make sure you're following me on Instagram because I will most likely be posting the pictures there. If you haven't already, I suggest signing up for like the news alerts from Fashion Nova, because when they have those sales, like those big sales, that's when you get the majority of your stuff for like a great price. And I mean, I still think Fashion Nova is still priced relatively okay. It's not like crazy expensive, but I love a deal, a good deal. So these shoes, I mean, I think I spent between all of the shoes, I mean, I got a whole bunch of other stuff from Fashion Nova too, like clothes wise. So I don't know like the exact amount that I spent, but compared to what I would have spent if it wasn't for the sale, I mean, you really can't beat that. Comment down below your favorite pair that you saw in this video. I love those like snakeskin boots. They're perfect. I can't wait to wear them. As always, don't forget to like this video and comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, bye.